You tell me the letters, Emmy?
F.
F, yep.
S.
S.
U.
No, that's an N.
N.
What's this?
I.
Y.
Y.
What other letters are there? What's this one?
M.
Yeah, M.
F.
Yeah. What is this one?
M.
What's this one?
O.
Yeah, what's this one?
K.
K. What's this one?
H.
No, that's not H. It's E.
E.
Yeah. What's this one?
Y.
Y. Yeah. What's this one?
Y.
Yeah, there's another Y. You're so smart.
S.
Yeah. Should we see what numbers are in here? Where's the numbers? What number's that?
Y.
5. What number's that?
D.
3. What number's that?
D.
2. Oh, what number's that?
1.
1. What number is this?
4.
4. That's right. High five. High five.
But ooh.
Hmm? Can you give Mom a high five? Yeah, smart boy.
F.
You want to look for the F? Where's the F?
Where's 1?
Hmm? Where's F? Look. Where's the letter F? Where's F? Is it over here? Where's F?
F.
There it is. Good boy.